Yes, good afternoon, doctors. By the way, I'm June Caboral from handling the areas of Bupis, or what they call somewhere in East Avenue, Fairview, and Novaliches. With me here is my co-associate, Ms. Hershey Roque, handling Quezon City also. And I'm sorry, doctors. And Mr. Vincent Calara in Metro Manila, and Jeline Bondan, my subsidiaries. And with me are our director, medical director, Dr. Dennis Maduli, and our vice president in marketing, Ms. Emerlita Escalante, and our vice president in sales, Mr. Antonio. Again, doctors were from Veradis Pharmaceuticals. Veradis derives from two Latin words. Vera stands for truth or truth, and this stands for wealth. A true wealth of providing quality products or quality medicines for the good health that help enhance the lives of every Filipino, because their health is our passion. Veradis Pharmaceutical, born last September 14, 2007, and registered with BFAD on October 8, 2007. And start paying our tax with a BIR last October 3, 2007. And you may notify us at RN Building, Shaw Boulevard, Pasig City. Let me state to you our company's operating principle, which is innovations are not created by asking what's feasible, but pursuing paths beyond existing limits. We came up with this principle because our company is distinguishing ourselves. We are distinguishing ourselves to become one step ahead from the other pharmaceutical in the Philippines. Our company applied something new which made us different from them, and that's what we call electronic pharma, or e-pharma. And that's with the help of our latest technology. And with that, doctor, this might help us in achieving our mission. Our mission is we dedicate ourselves in providing quality medicines or products that help enhance the lives of people and improve the way they live every day. And with your unceasing support, or with your unselfish support, doctors, this might unstocking from word stocking.
Go.
And our quest is to provide high quality pharmaceutical products to help improve the quality of life of people, and to help provide innovative opportunities through e-commerce with the use of the latest technology. And we are committed to grow from strength in order to touch more lives by providing innovative opportunities through the use of e-business to help provide financial freedom to our clients. And our number one clients, doctor, is you. Who we are. Actually, Veradis Pharmaceutical would be the first pharmaceutical company to practice e-promotions and e-detailing, and the first pharmaceutical company to provide medical information on demand and specified for the doctor's specialization. Just like what I said earlier, that with the help of World Wide Web, you can easily access, or if you have questions in mind, if you want to clarify things about us, you can easily access by the use of internet. And doctors, the most important other partner we have. No. And doctors, actually Veradis Pharmaceutical is not working alone. We're working with partners, and the first partner we have is the one who manufactured our products. That's Lupin Pharmaceuticals Incorporated. Lupin is one of the world's leading manufacturers of drugs that combats tuberculosis, bacterial infections, and cardiovascular disease